Have you ever wondered what it's like to trek to the base camp of the tallest peak in the world? Welcome to our report on the Everest Base Camp Trek, an adventure that's been capturing the hearts of thrill-seekers around the globe. Nestled in the Khumbu region of Nepal, the Everest Base Camp Trek is a 14-day journey that offers stunning views of Mount Everest and its neighboring peaks. The journey begins in Lukla, a small town known as the gateway to Mount Everest. From there, trekkers pass through Namche Bazaar and Teng Bosch, absorbing the vibrant culture and breathtaking landscapes of the Himalayas. As they ascend, trekkers are treated to panoramic views of the world from Everest Base Camp and Kala Pathar, another highlight of the trek. The itinerary is not just about walking. It includes acclimatization days to help trekkers adjust to the altitude, a critical aspect of any high-altitude adventure. But the Everest Base Camp Trek is not without its challenges. As with any high-altitude expedition, there are risks involved. The story of U.S. ski mountaineer Hillary Nelson, who went missing below the summit of Nepal's Mount Manaslu, serves as a stark reminder of the dangers inherent in mountaineering. However, with proper planning, training, and a respect for the mountain, these risks can be mitigated. And yet, the challenges aren't just physical. In recent times, Sherpa settlements near Mount Everest have been grappling with a severe COVID-19 outbreak. The virus, brought in by tourists and climbers, has led to deaths and widespread illness in the region, highlighting the need for strict health protocols and timely responses to outbreaks. Despite these setbacks, the spirit of adventure lives on. The Everest Base Camp Trek remains a sought-after experience for many, offering a unique blend of physical challenge, cultural immersion, and natural beauty. The route through Lukla, Namche Bazaar, and Teng Bosch, leading to Everest Base Camp and Kala Pathar, continues to attract adventurers from all walks of life. In conclusion, the Everest Base Camp Trek is more than just a journey. It's an experience that tests one's mettle, widens horizons, and leaves a lasting impression. It's a testament to the allure of the mountains, the resilience of the local communities, and the indomitable spirit of adventure. Despite the challenges it presents, the Everest Base Camp Trek remains a beacon for those who dare to dream, those who seek the thrill of the unknown, and those who find beauty in the journey.